Hey, so I've had some questions about what's going on with the Farmall H. Well, I thought I'd give you just a very quick update. So if you saw my last video on it, we got it running. Kind of took a minimal amount of effort. I was pretty pleased with that. Ever since then, I haven't had any videos on it, and I just got busy with other projects. So let me show you what we got going on here. So check it out, it's really shiny. So I was out here with my boys one evening, and they were like, "Dad, why don't we clean this thing up and paint it?" And I don't know if you recall, but this thing was extremely rusty and dirty. So anyhow, they grabbed some wire brushes. They were starting to brush on things, get some rust off, and then I thought, well, okay, let's just go ahead and do it. So slowly, like in, I don't know, 15-minute intervals, some evenings we come out and, do some cleaning on it, brushing off the rust, getting rid of grime. And really, it's cleaning up pretty nice. Everything is pretty shiny under there. It is taking some work, but it's coming along. So I just need to finish doing that. You'll see we got some primer on it too, like along those rails. That was just an easy place where we had got those cleaned up pretty easily, and I decided that I didn't want them to get rusty again, so we went ahead and threw some primer on it. So that's kind of where it is. Cleaning up a tractor and getting it painted takes a little time, and because I'm doing it in such little short increments, usually after work or something, I haven't really made any videos on it because it wouldn't really be that entertaining. I do want to show you though, I got a tool, that really helped me get this thing clean quickly. And that's what I used to get this all shiny on the radiator. I mean, look at that. That looks like brand new metal. And then what was really cool was underneath there, how shiny this brass is on the top. And I only cleaned a part of it. That's why this part's clean and this isn't. I was just kind of doing it as an example there. But let me show you what I got that I did that with. So if you see my other videos, I have some DeWalt tools. This is the 60-volt grinder, and I got a wire brush cup attachment on there. That thing does some amazing work. Like, look at this hitch. I don't know what it looks like on the video, but it was really, well, it looked like whatever that looks like. Really rough rust. But like in a matter of, like, no joke, 10 seconds, that thing cleans it up to shiny metal. So I got that done, or I shouldn't say I got that done, but I've been using that where I can. I can't put it everywhere, but it really takes the rust off quickly. And check out this, I took off my PTO shield, and I had to clean off a lot of like oil and grease, but look how awesome that looks. The platform is another good example here of what it used to look like. That's pretty rough and rusty. And then in no time, it's practically shiny metal. So I just need to finish that up. I got a lot to do. My main problem is I haven't focused on it. So I just need to focus on it, get it done. If I'm able to, maybe I'll find time this weekend to do as much as I can on this. Hopefully get closer to getting all the rust taken off, and then prime it. And after we prime it, follow up with some paint. It's not going to be a show job or anything, but it'll definitely look a lot nicer than it was. And especially getting the metal all prepped like that, it looks pretty good. To finish it up though, to access the places that I can't really get today, I need to take the wiring off. To get rid of the wiring harness, those plug wires, hydraulic hose, get rid of that stuff. Because I just can't get into the nooks and crannies. So then I got to thinking, well, what about sandblasting the thing? I don't know, I'm already this far along without sandblasting it. I don't know that it would take me too much effort to get it good enough to where I feel like painting it, especially for the non-show paint job that I'm going after. So that's kind of what's going on with it. I haven't done any more work to the engine. It starts really easy. It runs decent. It doesn't run great, but I honestly think it just needs to run. Like if I got the thing really worked up and hot, that's probably, you know, pretty good for it. It does have some stuff going on with the engine. Like, I think the compression's a little low. There's oil on my plugs. It's not uncommon with these, so probably could use a ring job, maybe valve work, and I'll get to that. But it just hasn't been top on the priority list. And if you've been watching other videos of mine, we've got some other stuff going on my property. I'll be going back out there this weekend. So you probably see another video from whatever we go and do out there this weekend. It's just been busy, and then also in between videos, I've also taken a vacation. Went back to Ohio to visit friends and family, which you would have saw that on one of my last videos where I bought a box blade and brought it back here to Colorado and used it last weekend. So we got some more stuff going on with that. I guess just to give a little more idea to, you know, how the running state of the tractor is. See my hand crank there? I can start it with the hand crank and it does it fairly easily. So, I mean, other than the engine, you know, being well worked and, you know, it needs a little love, it really starts pretty easy. These tires aren't in great shape, so I'll replace them eventually, but it's not like I'm working the tractor and I'm not even taking it to a parade or anything, so these can kind of wait. I'll get the cosmetics done. Kind of doing things out of order, but you know, my evenings, I don't have a lot of time to do a ton of stuff, so I'll just clean up a little bit here and there when I can, and it'll come along. So anyhow, this is what we got going on. Just wanted to give you a very brief update, and look for more videos on this thing. There's a lot more we got going on here. As I actually do work to it, and if we end up doing a ring job on it or something, I'll make videos of that. But, I don't know, keep an eye on it. Check out the progress. I think this thing's going to end out looking pretty nice. And as I uncover things along the way that need attention, we'll make videos of it. So anyhow, thanks for watching, and I'll probably have another video here soon.